Getting it in, man. Once again, man, we turning boats, man. Backyard shit, man. Taking it out, man. 350, man. With a 350 transmission, man. 500 motor and transmission. You can have it, man. Ain't shit wrong with the car, man. If you know a little bit, man, just by what you see, you can tell that it's a problem. Over there, the frame bent. We bought a car with a fucked up frame. It's all good. Went there with $200 and some change. He made that back. Backyard shit, man. Getting it in, man. Turning boats, man. There's a hand of a working man. That my cousin Easy. Bro, don't rush me, bro. I just said I was gonna smoke a cigarette, man.
You did say that.